Frequency bands used by the 802.11 networks include which of the following two answers? Well, 802.11 is a Wi-Fi standard. So just think about what Wi-Fi frequency standards you've heard of before. It's pretty much how we're going to solve this question. So have you ever heard of 2 gigahertz or 5.4 gigahertz? The answer should be no. The Wi-Fi frequencies are going to be 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Those are our answers. Now, let's talk about what 2.4 gigahertz is. So this is an older and more widely compatible band or frequency. You can think of it as you have your router, your modem, and it's shooting out Wi-Fi, right? And all these devices are able to connect on this level. It has a longer range than 5 gigahertz, but is more susceptible to interference from other devices, so like microwaves, phones, or Bluetooth devices. It's prone to congestion as well because remember, it's the most widely compatible, so it's been around the longest. That means there's a lot of devices on this plane. Now let's talk about the 5 gigahertz band. This band offers higher speeds and less interference, but it has a shorter range than 2.4 gigahertz, so it's more confined, whereas 2.4 gigahertz, it can be out more. It's less congested, which is great, making it ideal for bandwidth intensive activities like video streaming. But remember, it's less compatible. So I know a lot of like my smart lights, for example, they use 2.4 gigahertz frequency. They're not on the 5 gigahertz yet. But my phone will use 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz are the frequency bands used by the 802.11 networks.